Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this juicy, delicious, moisty lamb roast that is Middle Eastern style. Before I go ahead and start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe below. I have 2 videos every week. Let's get started with the recipe. Here I have half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, salt as needed, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, sweet paprika would work, and 1 teaspoon ginger powder. I also have some saffron threads that we are going to use later. I'm going to transfer all the spices to a bowl. To this I'm going to add quarter cup of parsley that is finely chopped, 1 tablespoon lime zest that I just grated, and 5 cloves of garlic finely grated. Here I have made a paste out of 1 medium-sized onion and half a cup of parsley. Just make it a nice thick paste without adding much water. 2 tablespoons lime juice. Now go ahead and give it a quick mix until all the spices and the marinade is well combined. Now to this I'm going to add the saffron thread I showed earlier. The saffron thread I'm going to add like probably 2 to 3 or 4 strands of saffron, that's all, because small amount goes a long way. Now as you see, the paste is nice and thick. Here I have 4 pounds of lamb leg with bone in. You can use bone in or boneless, and I'm going to give it a nice good deep slit. The reason is so that the marinade is nicely well absorbed inside the meat, so that you have the flavor all throughout the meat, just not on top. Now go ahead and give it a nice rub all over the meat properly, and then marinate overnight, or even 4 to 5 hours is good. You can bake it in the baking dish, but I don't like to use the foil, so I'm going to use it in a dish that has a lid on it. But you can totally do that with the baking dish. Here I have a deep dish that I'm going to add some carrots to it. You can use any kind of vegetables that you like. Go ahead and add the carrots or now any kind of crunchy vegetables. And to this I'm adding 1 large onion that is cut into 4, and I'm going to transfer the meat that I marinated overnight into the pan, and then transfer all the marinade. Don't waste any marinade. Here I am adding 5 tablespoons of olive oil on top and quarter cup of water around the meat. 2 tablespoons thyme on top of the meat. Cover it and bake it for 470 degrees for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to reduce this for 350 and bake it for another 2.5 to 3 hours depending on the oven temperature. And meanwhile we are going to prepare the Brussels sprouts. Here I have pan. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons butter and 1 tablespoon thyme. Just saute it for a couple seconds. Now this is the Brussels sprout. I washed it and cut into half, and I'm going to put them on a cut side down, and don't overcrowd it, but you can put as much as they can fit in, and let it nicely caramelize and cook. I'm not adding any water or anything. To this I'm adding fresh rosemary, 1 teaspoon, and now once it's nice and caramelized, I'm going to flip it over and cook for another couple seconds. And you want it to be nice and crunchy. Now the meat is ready. I'm going to transfer this meat into a large plate. As you can see, the vegetables are still holding nice shape, and the juice is super good. You don't have to even thicken it up, it's so good. As you cut them and serve them, you just serve it with the juice. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and let me know what you think about the recipe on the comments below. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys and stay safe. Bye.